Hello everyone! I cook leg of lamb about 3 or 4 times per year, and today I will share the easiest of my leg of lamb recipes. The leg of lamb I'm cooking in this video is just over 6 pounds and it's bone in. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and while the oven is preheating, start basting the leg of lamb with melted butter. The butter will help the herbs to stick to the meat and not roll all over and just sit at the bottom of the pan. First, I'm sprinkling about 2 teaspoons of kosher salt, then 2 tablespoons of dried mint. Rub your palms together while spreading the dried mint over the meat to crush it a little bit if the leaves are too large. Next, add 2 teaspoons of dried thyme and about a tablespoon of dried savory. Finally, add a couple of pinches of ground black pepper. When done with the herbs, add 3 pounds of washed yellow potatoes sliced in halves. You can totally skip this step if you just want to roast the leg of lamb, and it will not affect the cooking times. In either case, add 1 cup of water to the pan. If you have any butter left over, pour it over the potatoes and then season them with kosher salt and dried dill. I also like to add bay leaves, so if you have any, throw 4 or 5 leaves in the pan. Before putting the leg of lamb in the oven, tightly cover the pan with aluminum foil and make sure there are no openings anywhere around the perimeter of the pan. Bake the leg of lamb for 2 hours and 45 minutes. When done, very carefully remove the aluminum foil, switch the oven to broil and broil it for no more than 5 minutes. And at the end I put a meat thermometer just to make sure I don't undercook the meat, but it was at perfect 190 degrees Fahrenheit. So when done, let the leg of lamb rest for a few minutes, then slice into it and enjoy. If you have any questions, please leave a comment, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. As always, thank you so much for watching. I love you all. Goodbye.